Ever wondered how your body takes in the air you breathe and turns it into the life-sustaining oxygen your cells need? We're about to embark on an intriguing exploration of one of the most vital processes that keeps us alive: respiration. Prepare to dive deep into the fascinating world of our respiratory system, a complex network of passages and organs that works tirelessly minute by minute to deliver oxygen to our cells and expel carbon dioxide. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the human respiratory system. The journey of air starts from our nostrils or mouth and travels through a system of tubes. Our body's respiratory system is a complex network of passages and organs that work together to deliver oxygen to our cells and remove carbon dioxide. Let's take a closer look at each part and its role in the breathing process. First, we have the nose and mouth, the main entry points for air. The nose filters, warms, and humidifies the air we breathe in, while the mouth serves as an alternate pathway when we need more air, such as during exercise. Next, the air travels down the pharynx, a shared pathway for both food and air, and into the larynx, also known as the voice box. The larynx is equipped with a set of vocal cords that vibrate to produce sound when we talk or sing. From there, the air moves into the trachea, or windpipe. The trachea is a tube that extends from the larynx down to the bronchi. It's lined with cilia, tiny hair-like structures that help to keep out dust and other particles. The bronchi are two large tubes that branch off from the trachea and lead into the lungs. Within the lungs, the bronchi further divide into smaller branches known as bronchioles. These bronchioles end in tiny air sacs called alveoli, where the real magic happens. The alveoli are where oxygen from the air we breathe gets transferred into our bloodstream, and carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, gets expelled from the blood into the air. This exchange of gases is the primary function of the respiratory system. And finally, we have the lungs, two large organs that house all these structures. The lungs expand and contract with each breath, drawing in fresh air and expelling used air. They're protected by the rib cage and powered by the diaphragm, a muscle that sits beneath them. Each part of this intricate system plays a crucial role in transporting and processing the air we breathe. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember the incredible journey that air takes within your body. Now let's delve into the step-by-step process of respiration. Imagine you're taking a deep breath. That breath begins its journey through the fascinating world of respiration, a process that is happening right now, even as we speak. In a nutshell, respiration is all about inhaling oxygen, using it to fuel our cells, and exhaling the waste product, carbon dioxide. The breath you take enters your body through the nostrils or mouth, where it gets warmed and humidified. It then travels down the throat or pharynx and into the larynx, the voice box that allows us to speak. From here, the air descends into the trachea, commonly known as the windpipe. The trachea, a sturdy tube, acts as the main highway for air to travel to and from your lungs. It splits into two bronchi, one for each lung, which further divide into smaller branches called bronchioles. It's like an intricate tree, branching out and reaching every corner of your lungs. At the end of these bronchioles we find tiny air sacs called alveoli, which are the true heroes of the respiration process. There are about 300 million alveoli in the human lungs, providing a surface area roughly equivalent to a tennis court for gas exchange. The walls of the alveoli are extremely thin, and they're surrounded by a network of tiny blood vessels, or capillaries. This is where the magic happens. The oxygen in the air you've inhaled passes through the alveoli walls and into your blood, where it gets picked up by red blood cells and transported to every cell in your body. At the same time, the waste product from your cells, carbon dioxide, moves in the opposite direction. It travels from the blood, through the alveoli walls, and into the lungs. This delicate dance of gases is known as diffusion, and it's driven by the different concentrations of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood and air. Once the oxygen has been replaced with carbon dioxide in the alveoli, it's time for the breath to make its exit. The carbon dioxide-rich air travels back up through the bronchioles, into the bronchi, up the trachea, and out through the larynx and pharynx, before finally being exhaled out of your nostrils or mouth. So, there you have it, the journey of a breath, from nostril to cell, and back again. It's a process that happens around 17,000 times a day, without us even thinking about it. Every breath we take fuels our bodies, keeps us alive, and connects us to the world around us. Respiration, a process we hardly ever think about, is a complex and fascinating journey of air through our body. Beyond just breathing, the respiratory system plays some vital roles in our body. Let's delve a little deeper into these roles. One of the primary responsibilities of the respiratory system is regulating body temperature. When we exercise, our bodies generate heat. To prevent overheating, the respiratory system steps in. As we breathe more heavily during exercise, we exhale warm air and inhale cooler air, helping to regulate our internal body temperature. It's like an inbuilt air conditioning system, isn't it? Next, we have the respiratory system's role in maintaining pH balance. Now you may be wondering, what does pH balance have to do with breathing? Well, it's quite fascinating. Our bodies need to maintain a slightly alkaline pH level to function properly, around 7.4 to be precise. When we breathe, we exhale carbon dioxide, a mildly acidic compound. This process helps keep our body's pH level balanced. If we didn't breathe out this carbon dioxide, our blood would become too acidic, leading to a condition known as acidosis. So, in essence, every breath we take is a step towards maintaining our body's pH balance. The respiratory system also plays a crucial role in enabling speech. Without the respiratory system, we wouldn't be able to talk, laugh, sing, or even shout. When we speak, air is pushed out from our lungs, causing our vocal cords to vibrate and produce sound. The pace, volume, and pitch of our voice are all controlled by the amount and speed of air we exhale. It's pretty incredible when you think about it, how our bodies have evolved to use the mechanics of respiration for communication. The respiratory system does more than just facilitate breathing. Its roles in our body are wide and varied. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember, you're not just filling your lungs with air. You're also cooling your body, maintaining your pH balance, and even preparing to voice your thoughts. To sum it up, the respiratory system is an intricate network of organs and structures. This incredibly complex system is an integral part of our lives, working tirelessly, day in and day out, to keep us alive and functioning. From the nose and mouth, where the journey of every breath begins, down to the bronchi and bronchioles, the respiratory system is a marvel of biological engineering. These structures act as a conduit, guiding the air we breathe into the alveoli, where the real magic happens. Here in these tiny sacs, oxygen is exchanged for carbon dioxide, a process known as respiration. This oxygen is then transported to every cell in our body, providing the fuel they need to perform their functions. At the same time, the carbon dioxide, a waste product, is expelled from the body, keeping our internal environments clean and balanced. Each part of the respiratory system plays a unique and vital role. From the diaphragm, which controls the rhythm of our breathing, to the trachea, which keeps our airways open, every single component is crucial. In essence, the respiratory system is a testament to the intricate and elegant design of the human body. A system that works seamlessly to sustain life, and a system that we often take for granted. The next time you take a breath, remember the amazing journey it takes, and the incredible system that makes it all possible. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the human respiratory system. This voyage has taken us from the intricate anatomy of our lungs, down to the microscopic alveoli where the magic of respiration takes place. We've unraveled the process of respiration, the essential exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide that fuels every cell in our bodies. We've also explored the indispensable role of the respiratory system, a silent workhorse that keeps us alive and well every minute of every day. Our exploration doesn't have to end here. The field of biology is vast, filled with countless wonders waiting to be discovered. We invite you to continue this journey, to delve deeper into the fascinating world that exists within and around us. If you found this content engaging, do give us a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more intriguing insights into the world of biology. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, every breath you take is a testament to the marvel that is the human body.